Hello friend, welcome back to my channel.
Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world, with some males weighing over 300 kilograms, 660 pounds. No two tigers have the same stripe pattern, just like human fingerprints. And like most cats, tigers love water and are excellent swimmers, often crossing rivers and lakes. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers, 1.8 miles away, helping them communicate over long distances. Tigers have excellent night vision, about 6 times better than humans, making them effective nocturnal hunters.
Lions are the only big cats that live in groups called prides, usually consisting of females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away, helping them communicate and mark their territory. Lionesses do most of the hunting in a pride, working together to catch prey, while males defend the territory. Lions can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour, but only for short distances due to their lack of endurance. Males weigh around 100 and 250 kilograms, while females weigh 180 kilograms. They sleep for 16-20 hours a day, conserving energy for hunting. Diet: they are apex predators, mainly hunting large herbivores like zebras, buffaloes, and antelopes.
Zebras are herbivorous mammals native to Africa, known for their distinctive black and white striped coats. They belong to the horse family Equidae and live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Unique stripes known to zebras have the same stripe pattern, helping with camouflage and individual identification. They can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour to escape predators like lions and hyenas. Zebras live in groups called herds, which provide protection against predators. A zebra's kick can seriously injure or even kill a predator like a lion. They mainly eat grass, leaves, and shrubs, grazing for long hours each day.
Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world, native to Africa. They belong to the giraffidae family and are easily recognized by their long necks, long legs, and spotted coat patterns.
Males can grow up to 5.5 meters, 18 feet tall, while females are slightly shorter. Their necks can be to 3 meters, 10 feet long, but have the same number of neck bones as humans' 7 vertebrae.
Just like fingerprints, no two giraffes have the same spot pattern. They mainly eat leaves, twigs, and fruits, especially from acacia trees. Their 50 centimeters, 20-inch, tongue helps them reach and grab leaves while avoiding thorns. Giraffes sleep only about 30 minutes to 2 hours per day, usually in short naps.
Rhinoceroses are large, herbivorous mammals known for their thick skin and distinctive horns. They belong to the Rhinocerotidae family and are found in Africa and Asia. There are 5 species of rhinos. 1. White rhino, Africa. 2. Black rhino, Africa. 3. Indian rhino, Asia. 4. Javan rhino, Asia. 5. Sumatran rhino, Asia. Their skin looks like armor and can be 1.5 centimeters, 0.6, 2 inches thick. Their horns are not bone, but made of keratin, the same material as human nail. They mainly eat grass, leaves, and fruits.
Goodbye.